wigs for $179. Hang it up. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. This is their new double wear cap, and let me just say, they're in that warehouse working, okay? They are making that check. But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. All the specs for our unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new double wear wig, meaning you flip this wig to get two different looks, two different colors. Let's just sit with that for a second. Listen, the innovation is here. Klaiyi, I'm impressed that y'all try to do something a little different. Now, first I have the 4x4 ombre closure unit, and it does come with the dark root into that ombre, like, I would say like reddish brown. And then if you flip it, you have a T part or a 1-inch part reddish brown root with the ombre color at the bottom. They are coming out with different colors and different textures, so I'm just showing you guys this water wave unit first. Hold on, my elastic band came out. Let me fix that. Let's talk about the inside of the cap real quick. So for the first one, you have the 4x4 closure, you have the 2 combs on the side of the closure, and then you have the 2 combs in the back and the elastic band to tighten down your wig. You also have the C-shaped ear tabs and a drawstring on the side of the ear tabs to tighten your wig down. When it comes to the T part or 1-inch closure side, you do get the 2 combs on the side. Think about, what is it? The old I-part synthetic wigs. You used to get those 2 combs on the side of the part. That's basically what that is given. A lot of people do not like, well, I won't say a lot of people. I personally do not like the combs on the side of my wig, so I will not be using these. As far as using it for the back combs, I will use it, but for the front combs, I will not. Now, the side combs are removable, so if I don't want to use these, I can take these out. However, the combs in the back are stitched in. Make all of the combs removable, because if I don't want to use these combs when I wear the eye part, I should be able to take those out. Trust me. Okay, so let me just pull out the side combs, because I don't want to use the combs at all in my wig, because I'm going to use the drawstring on the side in my elastic band to hold my wig down. It does have 2 hooks for the elastic band. Based on how this is slipping and sliding out of here, you may want to make that a little bit tighter because it is a little loose. Let me tighten down my elastic band because it does look a little flimsy. Now, before I put this wig on my head, I'm gonna do a little spritzing, okay, because this wig does stink. Okay, it's been processed and processed again for this curl and this color, double color, okay, for the double wear. But if you got a little time, wash her immediately, okay? Do not be putting this wig on your head free ball. Wear wig cap. I'm gonna use my wig perfume and spray this down. This is my Warm and Pleasant wig perfume. Spray a little bit of water. Where is my brush? Before I put this wig on, I'm going to tint both sides of the lace with my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate, right on the edge for the T part or the I part or the 1-inch part, or however you want to say it, and down into that parting space. And then on the 4x4, same thing, around the lace. I'm pretty sure this is the left side part, so I will need to change my parting space for the look that I want. Y'all know I'm a right side girl, so why would you play me like that? Questions that need answers immediately. Because the T part is a little bit tighter than I would like, I'm gonna try that side first. All right, that's the 4x4 side. I don't want that. I wanna flip it, so I'm just gonna grab it and flip it over. That's it. Look at that, I got a new wig. Again, this is only a middle part. One of y'all had asked me about these caps that I wear. After a while, the cap does lose its elasticity, so they will become loose, but I don't mind that because it's a lot softer on my hair. Again, if I need to tighten this down, I can do that, but mine is fitting pretty good, so I'm just gonna tuck mine under the wig. So tighten and tuck, whatever you're not gonna, use. All right, the hairline doesn't look as pre-plucked, and I can feel those combs in there. I mean, you can't see them, but I can feel them. So get my hairline straight. Could I pluck some out? This is how much hair is in the front. A little bit. Y'all see that? You got a little space. I'm just gonna pull some out. Take some from behind here. Open that up a bit. Then I'm gonna take my Nairobi mousse. Come on, focus, focus. Bring this down like that. Yep, yep. I can open up that parting space as well because she a little tight. The hair is coming out pretty easy, which helps for a unit like this. Clip this back. Hold up, let me just open up this a little bit more. Right here in the front. They did send me a band, so let me get that. Don't really need it, but I'm gonna put it on today. Getting some tangles down here. I can definitely feel the difference in the track, you know, for the closure. So I'm just brushing that out. I do have a good amount of shedding for this wig. Add some mousse to it. Now, obviously, when you wash this hair, you don't have to do all this. It'll already be, you know, wet. You can just add the mousse to it and go. Make sure I get both sides. Let me just comb this down. Let me use my blow dryer because right here where that 4x4 is, it's creating a hump because the hair wants to go the opposite direction because of how they, you know, kind of styled it for me. So let me just blow dry that down on warm and high. Take off this band. Ooh, because my head is pounding. Gotta fix this little situation right there. Let me use my soft focus powder in the color caramel. No, what is this? Creamy bronze. Where am I getting caramel from? So open that up a bit. Here we go. Get my hairspray. Clip this over. I do want to add a little bit more wave or like curl in the hair. So I'm gonna use my little mini curler here. Not too much. Basically wrap it around, hold it a little bit, take it off. Make sure I do my ends. Do it like that. It don't gotta be perfect. Make sure I get it around. Especially if you don't wanna cut it, you can make those frayed ends a little bit neater. Take off these clips. If I wanna do like a bang situation, I could definitely do that. Like right in here. Let's see. Let's curl this up a little bit tighter. I didn't plan on making this a bang unit, but here we are. And put a little bit of contour around the hairline, blend that all together. I could use my comb and back comb this a bit. American woman. Okay, y'all, so here is look number 1. I got her together. The hairline is looking better. Okay, it's definitely giving me rock star vibes. Come on, Lenny. I don't even want to flip her, but you know I got to, so let me take it off. Ooh. Y'all see what I'm talking about with that cap? She gonna slide right off, but again, I don't care because it's less tension on my hairline and my edges. Take it from the bottom and I'm just gonna bring it up, flip it over. Where's the band? Tighten and tuck. I probably need to pluck it a little bit. It's gonna be tangled the opposite way, so I gotta be careful with that. Now that I know what I need to do, this shouldn't take too much time. Pluck this out. Open up that parting space just a smidge. Get a little bit of my Eco Styler gel. A little bit on the edges, like this. Bump it back like this. Wrap it up. Now, because I was able to comb this wig the other direction, because I was able to flip it, it gave this flip, this side, a little bit more body. So it looks a lot fuller than the other side. I think you would call that a win. I was a little iffy about the color because I thought you could see more of the red, but now that I am rocking it, I can see a lot more of the brown. The fact that I can do this with this curling iron, but I'd be struggling with my wand curler, I don't understand it. Now the back is not gonna be perfect because obviously I'm not, you know, I can't see back there. Let's just pretend like the back is curled, okay? Thank you. I know Klaiyi like, girl, you are messing up my texture. Listen, I'm trying to show the girls what this wig can do, so let me work. I need this to be pressed back out my face. Contour on the brush. Bring it around my hairline. Put my powder in my parting space. Bring that out. Let's get that hairspray. Then put a little powder Open that hairline up a little bit. Give the illusion that it's plucked. Blend it with the excess contour. And we are finished. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look for look number 2. I could probably do the hairline a little bit better, but for in a rush, this is what we got. Now that I've curled and teased this side, once I flip it, the other one should have this texture. More teased up, hopefully. Now, all in all, I would say this wig it's going in the right direction. It needs a little tweaking, just a little bit, because you get the 4x4 on one side. I feel like if you remove the combs on the other side, you should be able to do a 4x4 for that one as well. Is that possible? I think the innovation of this wig is, I like it. Okay, I can have 2 colors in one wig in one day. The 2-for-1 on one. But y'all tell me down below what you think. Do y'all want to see some more textures? I got them, so let me know. And the price point for this is the black cherry, and then the flip color is the reddish brown. So I have 22 inches, I believe. So this wig without a coupon is $239. But then I have a coupon that'll be 25% off, so it'll make the wig $179. 2 wigs for $179. Hang it up. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.